friends, Bouncy here. Do you like buying things from a store or shopping? Shall we help George buy a few new books and stationery items? Let us meet George, a little boy. His school is about to reopen after the summer holidays and he wants to buy lots of new things. Let us help George make some decisions on his shopping trip.
Hi, I'm George. Next week, I'm going to class 3. I need to make a list of things I need to buy before my school reopens.
What things do you usually need to buy before your school starts every year? Make a list. Let's see what the items on George's list are.
Mom, I need lots of new things before school starts. A new school bag, some stationery, and some new books.
Make a list of things you really need, not what you want. I will give you 200 rupees and you decide what is more important to buy now. Remember, if you have some money left over after all your shopping, you can buy yourself an ice cream.
If you had rupees 200, what things would you like to choose to buy? Can you buy all the things you need within this amount? George and his mother have come to the supermarket.
Mother, I like the yellow and green bags over there.
Let us see how much they cost.
Can you read the price tags and find out how much each bag costs?
The yellow bag costs 120 rupees and the green one costs 143 rupees. I have also selected one pencil, one sketch pen set, 2 notebooks, one coloring book, one pencil box and a project book.
The cost of each object that George has chosen is shown here. What are the different objects that he can buy for rupees 200 or less? There are different combinations of things he can buy. Work with a partner to help George decide. Let us see what George has decided to buy.
These are the things that I have decided to buy. A bag for 120 rupees, a project book, a notebook for 22 rupees, a sketch pen set and a pencil. I will spend 177 rupees altogether. I saved some money and can now buy ice cream too. Have you arrived at another combination costing the same or less? Share it with the class.
Would George have been able to buy so many things if he had chosen the green bag for rupees 143? What other things would he have to give up in this case? Yes, he could still have bought all these things if he had chosen the green bag costing rupees 143. But he would have had to give up ice cream. Looks like George and his mother have bought ice creams with the money that they saved. If you were George, what decision would you have taken? Would you have bought the bag for rupees 120 and saved some money, or spent all the money and bought the bag for rupees 143? Shall we do another exercise? If you had rupees 50 with you, which of the following things would you choose to buy? Why? How much money would you try and save? You do not have enough money to buy all the items as they cost 90 rupees altogether. You can buy a combination of things that come up to rupees 50 or less, such as chocolates and bananas, or chocolates or bananas and chips. Alternatively, you could buy the toy and the chips. Hence, when you spend money, it is important to decide how much you want to spend and for what. Think, do you buy something because you want it or because you need it? Remember, it is always a good decision to save money.